video, what I'm going to do is go over an SD card reader carrying case. You know, it's the high-speed pop-up, handy, speedy, and sturdy. This does not have, it doesn't include any SD cards with it, but let me just kind of like show you some of the things this thing does. And this is from the company AboveTEK, I think's how it is. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, ISO, and Linux. How about that? Just pulling it out here. I already had it out and kind of used it and looked over it. You get a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, which is always handy. See how you can use that to go to an adapter. You get a little like carabiner for hooking onto it, right, like that, so you can kind of hook onto it. A set of instructions, and the instructions basically go over how to load the cards and how to plug it in. You know what, if you've made it this far, you probably know how to use this. And it comes in this shockproof, kind of waterproof type case. Very nice. You can see right there, AboveTEK card storage. How about that? And looking at the top, push it down like that. You see how this thing opens. It doesn't come out all the way, but check it out. You've got a spot right here for just regular SD cards, and this is for the micro SD cards. It looks like you can hold 1, 2, 3, so 6, 2, 8, 6, so 10 micro cards and 4 SD cards. And this is what's cool about this, everybody. This has a card reader built into it. You've got an SD card reader there and a micro SD card reader there. And what I would do is plug in this and then plug that into my laptop, either Android or Mac or something like that. And there's a little like SD card remover tool right there, like on a cell phone or some sort of like device where there's a little small port. That's what you'd use that for. Let me show you putting an SD card in here. So let me grab an SD card for you, because I've got SD cards kind of scattered everywhere. This is my GoPro Hero 11. Check this out. Just slides in like that. And look how it holds that SD card nicely. Check it out. I've got some extra SD cards. These are some older ones right here. You know, a 2 gig SD card. How funny is that? Look how that just slides up in there like that. Now that's just an adapter. That adapter, it was basically an SD card. Let's just show how it locks in there like that. Here's another little SD card. I'm just going to kind of like show how they slide up in there just like that. And then the same way on this side, like that. And there's another little adapter just like that. So let's go ahead and let's try to test this. So I do know there's footage of using the GoPro on that one. So I'm just going to slide it in right here, which it looks like it goes up, right? Yeah, look, it goes up just like that. It's in. Let me plug it into my computer and see if it comes up. Okay, everybody, so I've got my desktop computer here. I just added the attachment, the USB-A attachment to the end of it. Let's go ahead and plug it into the USB port right here. Well, I just heard noise come up. There it is. There is no light. Oh, there is a light. I like that. There's a light on this right here. Let's set that down right there. Let me show you what's on the screen. You can see right there, all of my files are on the screen. There's the GoPro files. This thing works great. I'm not gonna open my video files there because I don't want you to see all my videos, but look at this, everybody. You can see it works fine just right there. Let me go ahead and plug this one in while that one's going, and let's see what it does. So this one just plugs in like that. Oh, that one popped up too. Nice. So when you can choose whichever one you want to look at. It actually comes up. Let me show you. So it came up. The USB has both of them up. So I can see both of the cards. There's the USB, like the SD card, and there's the micro card. It's a 128 gig micro card and a 16 SD card. So this works great, everybody. I highly recommend this. This is something I'm going to be using amongst my travels, that's for sure. So you can load both cards in there and have them easily like stacked up in there. And then when not in use, you just unplug it and just goes like that, and you're all good. And any type of USB-C or any type of USB-C to USB-A should work just fine in this thing. I had to use the adapter to use it on my computer, but I think it'll work just fine on about anything. I don't have an Android or anything to try it on, but that works great on that, everybody. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got today on the AboveTEK, card storage / card reader. See y'all in the next video.